Welcome back to the Grand Motorhome. Today, we're stepping into something truly extraordinary. A motorhome so luxurious, so refined, that it feels like a royal palace on wheels. Introducing the Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026, one of the most luxurious and breathtaking motorhomes ever created. Inspired by the world-class engineering and prestige of Mercedes-Benz, this incredible machine takes luxury travel to an entirely new level. It's not just about getting from one place to another. It's about experiencing every mile in absolute elegance. From the very first look, the exterior design commands attention. The front fascia features a bold Mercedes-inspired grille, paired with ultra-slim LED headlights that give the motorhome a futuristic and sophisticated appearance. The long, flowing body lines, combined with a premium two-tone paint finish, create a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. Massive panoramic windows wrap around the body, allowing natural light to flood the interior while offering stunning views of the outside world. Integrated lighting, hidden storage compartments, and an extendable outdoor lounge system make the exterior just as functional as it is beautiful. But the real magic begins the moment you step inside. The Grand Palazzo Imperiale welcomes you into a living space that feels like a luxury penthouse. Handcrafted leather seating, polished wood veneers, and brushed metal accents create an atmosphere of pure elegance. Soft ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, adjusting automatically to create the perfect mood for any time of day. At the center of the main lounge is a massive Ultra HD entertainment display paired with a premium surround sound system. Whether you're relaxing, hosting guests, or enjoying a movie night, this space transforms effortlessly into a private luxury cinema. Moving into the kitchen and dining area, the attention to detail becomes even more impressive. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, built-in oven, smart refrigerator, and a luxury coffee station. Marble-style countertops and custom cabinetry add both beauty and functionality, making it perfect for long journeys. As we move toward the private living quarters, the master suite reveals itself as a true sanctuary. A king-size bed sits at the center, surrounded by soft lighting, elegant textures, and panoramic windows that provide breathtaking views wherever you travel. Built-in wardrobes and hidden storage compartments ensure everything stays organized without compromising the design. Right beside the bedroom is a spa-inspired bathroom that delivers a five-star hotel experience. A spacious rainfall shower, heated floors, modern vanity, and illuminated mirrors create a relaxing and luxurious environment. What truly sets the Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026 apart is its advanced technology. The entire motorhome is powered by a smart control system that manages lighting, climate, entertainment, and security. Everything can be controlled through touchscreen panels or voice commands, making the experience seamless and intuitive. The driver's cockpit features a fully digital display with advanced navigation, real-time vehicle data, and intelligent driving assistance systems. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision prevention, and automated parking make driving this massive vehicle surprisingly easy. Under the hood, the motorhome is expected to feature a powerful and refined drivetrain, possibly hybrid or fully electric, delivering smooth acceleration and near-silent performance. Advanced suspension systems ensure a comfortable ride, allowing passengers to glide across highways with ease. And now, let's talk about exclusivity. The Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026 is expected to sit in the ultra-luxury segment, with an estimated price reaching well over $7 million, depending on customization. Production would likely be extremely limited, making it a rare masterpiece designed for the world's elite. This is not just a motorhome. It's a moving palace, a symbol of prestige. a new standard for luxury travel. The Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026 proves that the future of motorhomes isn't just about mobility. It's about creating a lifestyle of unmatched comfort and elegance. Thanks for being part of the Grand Motorhome family. If you enjoyed this incredible luxury tour, don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more next-level motorhome experiences. See you in the next video.